These sections, I would like to explain evaluation research, which is based on chapter 18, your textbook. Evaluation is a process of ascertaining the decision areas of concern, selecting appropriate information, and collecting and analyzing information in order to report summary data useful to decision makers in selecting among alternatives or in making decisions. What is evaluation research? Evaluation research is, first and foremost, a process of applying scientific procedures to accumulate reliable and valid evidence in the manner and the extent to which specific activities produce effects or outcomes. This diagram shows the overall concepts of evaluations, in explaining different aspects of it in terms of a process which is a thorough and a reliable. It has to be valid and systematic kind of process. Evaluation usually is to apply to review an intervention or a programs, or can be an application or a system or campaigns. For example, to evaluate for what? For the efficiency, effectiveness, and appropriateness of the program, with the purpose of making decisions, for the policy makers perhaps, or the stakeholders, in order to make a good decision. Usually, the purpose of evaluation is to ultimate goal is to select between different interventions or programs. It is to incorporating changes or fine-tuning for greater effectiveness or efficiency of a program or application, terminating a program or intervention for better use of resources. So evaluation research is indeed very important. And there are two main perspectives in looking into the classification of evaluation studies. From the perspective of direct focus of the evaluation itself, which is usually direct evaluation in terms of a program or intervention planning evaluation on the planning stage, and also evaluation in terms of the process, on the monitoring evaluations, and evaluation with the purpose to know the outcome or the impact or the effects of a program or an intervention, or an evaluation with the purpose to evaluate the cost effectiveness of a program, whether the effects is cost effective, or whether the benefits gained from the program is cost effective or not. And on the philosophical orientation of evaluations, in looking into the philosophical views of evaluations, which can be derived into goal-centered kind of evaluations, consumer-oriented or client-based evaluations, improvement-oriented evaluations, or holistic evaluations, which involve every aspect to be evaluated of a programs. So ultimately, for these different emphases of evaluations, the main purpose is to improve a program, and of course cost saving, in terms of introducing a program in the system or in the organizations.